Welcome to msproject-elearning.com. We offer you e-learning courses about Microsoft Project, focusing exactly on your needs. So if you are responsible for project planning or you have limited project planning skills, then Maturity Level 2 is the right course for you. In only 5 courses, we cover everything you need to know when you are responsible for a project schedule. All important basics we have covered in Level 1. So now it's time to get you out of your baby shoes and to take bigger steps. In the end, you will be able to translate all your activities into your schedule, so you have a complete project scope and a well-organized work breakdown structure in Microsoft Project. Let's look at Maturity Level 2. We keep the complexity low. We create the backbone of your schedule with a work breakdown structure, with tasks and summary tasks. You will learn a method to make estimations that are smart and cover risk contingency. You learn how to mark your task progress and use the baseline to see how good your estimates actually were. Our interactive course includes questions and quiz games, clear visuals, short instruction videos, and what is unique? Practical assignments in Microsoft Project itself and your own highlight report. When you are ready to bring your schedule to the next maturity level, check our other courses. Go to msproject-elearning.com. Start your e-course today and embed what you've learned tomorrow.